Be safe. And I've always believed that peace starts from here, from your heart.
Hope is our weapon against all these injustices. And I think I'm very hopeful, despite the fact that I was put in jail for expressing my views on gender equality.
The answer for me lies in the level of individuals and people at the household and the community level. It's not going to be solved by the politicians who mostly, and I think politically, most politicians are probably psychopaths.
So what I'm hoping in Wales, and maybe it will happen here, that when other communities nearby see our World Peace Flame Monument, which is a little in our village hall, a place for people to sit or gather, then other communities would like one.
Quindi la lezione da imparare dalla sua storia è un'idea pazzesca come la sua, può diventare una cosa grandissima. Queste idee pazzesche si deve seguire.